I am cooking dinner now. I stand inside the kitchen. I wash my hands slowly. I feel calm and ready. I open up the fridge. I look at simple food, vegetables and some rice. Everything looks just fine.
I take out a small pan. I place it on the stove. I turn on the light. I start my evening meal. I am cooking dinner now. I take my time to cook. I am cooking dinner now. I follow what I know. I cut and stir slowly. I enjoy every sound. Cooking dinner calmly helps me slow down.
I wash the vegetables. I put them piece by piece. I move my hands carefully. I stay focused and calm. I hear the water running. I hear the gentle sound. The kitchen feels so quiet. It feels safe and warm.
I put the pan on heat. I add a little oil. I watch the food carefully. I do not rush at all. I am cooking dinner now. I take my time to cook. I am cooking dinner now. I follow what I know. I cut and stir slowly. I enjoy every sound. Cooking dinner calmly helps me slow down. The food begins to cook. I smell something nice. The warm and simple smell makes me feel relaxed.
I stir the food again. I check it one more time. I smile to myself softly. This moment feels just right.
Cooking dinner is simple, but it feels very good. I take care of myself with every little move. I forget about my work. I forget about stress. I stay right in the moment. I enjoy this rest. I am cooking dinner now. I take my time to cook. I am cooking dinner now. I follow what I know. I cut and stir slowly. I enjoy every sound. Cooking dinner calmly helps me slow down.
I turn off the stove now. The dinner is all done. I put food on my plate. I feel proud and content. I clean the kitchen slowly. I wipe the table clean. My dinner is ready. I feel calm inside.
Cooking dinner at night helps me end the day. I eat my simple meal and feel relaxed again.